Have you ever wondered how some websites soar to the top of search results? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the secret sauce. In just a moment, you will learn how to boost your online visibility. SEO is crucial for anyone wanting to be found online. It helps your content reach more people. So, let's break it down into simple steps. First, understand the importance of keywords. Keywords are the phrases people search for. Use them wisely in your titles and content. Next, focus on creating quality content. Content should be valuable and engaging. Ask yourself, what does your audience want to know? Then, optimize your website. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly. Fast loading times are essential for a great user experience. After that, utilize meta tags effectively. Meta descriptions and title tags help search engines understand your content. Include relevant keywords here, too. And don't forget about backlinks. These are links from other sites back to yours. They help search engines see your credibility and authority. Now, let's look at an example. Imagine you're writing about healthy recipes. Research keywords like easy healthy meals, using tools like Google Keyword Planner. Create content that is useful, engaging, and optimized for search engines. In summary, remember these key points. Use keywords strategically, create quality content, optimize your website, and build backlinks. Each step will take you closer to ranking higher. Feeling overwhelmed? Start with one step today. Dive into the world of SEO and see your content rise. Subscribe for more tips on mastering SEO.